my business partner was talked into artificial turf, and we had the same thoughts where we're at a park and we see this really thin green grass, fake, super fake looking. We're thinking a football field with the black rubber infill. Same thing, fake, athletic field, not what I want. Turf's been around for 20 plus years, mostly in Las Vegas and the desert areas in California, and it's come a long way. You know, the big issue in the beginning was, can it take the heat? Can it take the sun? Does it look real? Now it's beautiful. It looks like you just cut the yard in May, really green. You can pick different colors, thicknesses, how thick you want the turf infill to be. Like, do you want it to be a heavy weight, a thin weight? And they all correspond to your look. Like if you go with a 1.75 inch turf and you go with a 65 ounce weight with a brown thatching, it's gonna look like the native turf here, which is fescue. So we can put it in this yard and we can have this person just cut the yard. You look from the deck and you look at both, they look the same. And I personally like it when I look out in my backyard because I have fake turf. And I see over here the grass is dormant on my neighbors and my backyard still looks like it's May.